Hello my dear friend. Our topic today will be 2023 BMW Z4. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started without further ado. Engine, transmission, and performance. Every 2023 Z4 has an 8-speed automatic transmission with sport and manual modes. Paddle shifters mounted to the steering wheel are also standard. The BMW Z4 is not available with a traditional manual transmission, but the 8-speed is one of the best automatics around with sharp responses, snappy shifts, and smooth operation. The S30i is powered by the brand's excellent turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that makes plenty of torque and 255 horsepower. In our testing, this model accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. That's peppy, but still a bit slower than a 718 Boxster. For more grunt, the M40i model gets a 382 horsepower turbocharged inline-6. It's incredibly smooth and refined, and it turns up the juice considerably with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds. Fuel economy and real-world Mpg. Given its strong performance, it may surprise you that the Z4 is one of the most fuel-efficient sports cars in its class. The fuel economy of the Z4 S30i is rated by the EPA to be 25 mpg city and 32 mpg on the highway. With its much higher level of horsepower, the fuel economy of the Z4 M40i is slightly lower at 22 mpg city and 29 mpg highway. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, both models far exceeded their ratings and delivered an impressive 38 mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As is the case with current BMWs, the Z4 has a very high-quality interior. In fact, it may have the best interior in this class. It features luxe materials, exceptional panel fitment, and excellent control placement. Its seats are comfortable with sizable bolsters to hold you in place when you're enjoying the Z4's dynamics. There is also more room inside than you might expect, even for those taller than 6 feet. Its well-insulated cloth roof seals tightly. When the top is up, the BMW's interior is impressively quiet, with so little wind or road noise it almost feels like a coupe. With the push of a button, it folds away in a few seconds. A wind blocker is standard to keep buffeting to a minimum with the top down, and works well even at high speeds. Interior stowage is also generous. There are several storage bins around the Z4's cabin, including one in the center console and a felt-lined cubby to the left of the steering wheel. There's also a netted shelf behind the seats and 2 big cup holders up front. At 10 cubic feet, the trunk of the Z4 isn't huge, but it'll swallow luggage for 2 for a quick weekend road trip. Infotainment and connectivity. A large 10.3 inches touchscreen is standard along with navigation and complementary Apple CarPlay integration. Android Auto capability is not available. The latest iteration of BMW's Idrive system is easy to use, with sharp graphics. The system can also be controlled intuitively with a knob and buttons on the Z4's console or with voice commands. A USB port and Bluetooth streaming audio are also standard, although you have to pay extra for SiriusXM satellite radio. Safety and driver assistance features. Forward collision warning and daytime pedestrian detection with city braking are standard, as is BMW's lane departure warning system. Other driver assistance tech is available as options on both Z4 models. That list of available systems includes active cruise control, active blind spot detection, rear collision protection, and rear cross-traffic alert. For more information about the Z4's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites.